So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the effective way to review the ARM reference manual. So I am reading the ARM reference manual for ARM version 7a architecture. So you're looking at is the title of this reference document. And this document is very popular with all of the systems of the engineer because this document is released in public. So this reference document is providing the fundamental information about ARM version 7 architecture. But if you're new to ARM version 7 architecture, maybe you may decide to read all of the contents of this reference document. But I think that it is not the effective way to learn the ARM version 7 architecture. So in this video, I'm going to show you the effective way to run the register, a set of registers in ARM version 7 architecture. So when you start learning ARM version 7 architecture, I strongly encourage you to review this chapter. This chapter is chapter A2, application level programmer model. So all of the chapters under chapter A2, it includes the fundamental features of ARM version 7 architecture. But among many of the practical contents of programming model, I think that most important things to learn is to ARM core register. So let me click here, and then let me read the ARM core register. So ARM reference documents indicate that there are SB stack point register, and link register, and point counter register. And then it introduces a set of register defined in ARM version 7 architecture. So, and then it specified the way to write the value of the register. But after you go through all of the contents of this chapter, I think that it is difficult for you to understand the concept of the register in ARM version 7 architecture. So after you read this content about ARM core register, I strongly recommend you to make use of debugger which allow for the viewing the set of register in ARM version 7 architecture. There's no doubt the most popular debugger tool to view the register or assembly instruction is 332 debugger. So let me show you how to make use of the screen of the 332 simulator. So this screen indicates the set of register defined in ARM version 7 architecture, and this box is providing information about the assembly instruction, and this assembly instruction is move instruction. So now that the topic of this video is a set of register in ARM version 7 architecture, let me explain about the details of a set of register in ARM version 7 architecture. As you can see in the box, R0, R1, R2 is observed. Those registers are considered to be general purpose register in ARM version 7 architecture. But as for this register, R13 register is used for special purpose because R13 is used as stack pointer register. We call this register as SB register. Another register that is used to hold return address, that is R14 register. This register is mainly used when the function call is made. So the value of this register is updated when the branch instruction is performed. Another register is program counter, and program counter is holding the address where the ARM core is currently patched. So let me use another 332 command to view the assembly instruction right now. So let me use d.l command. So another dialog pop-up appears, containing assembly instruction, as you can see in the box. So this is the address. So this is the address where the program counter is holding. So at this point, let me change the value of program counter manually. Let me copy this address, and then let me change this, the value of program counter. So let me enter this command 1 2 3. So before I enter this command, please pay attention to this screen. Let me enter. As you can see in the slide, the program counter is changed. So since the program counter is holding this address, then this address is also changed, because when I use the DL command, this dialog box is showing us the assembly instruction where the program counter is indicating. So I think that it is much more practical to learn the setup register in ARM version 7 architecture using 332 simulator rather than reading this ARM specification document. So I think that the most effective way to learn the ARM version 7 architecture is first read the reference document first, and then we need to open our debugging tool to see how setup registers are used in our real project, such as RTOS kernel or Linux kernel or something like that. So in this video, I'm going to introduce the effective way to learn the setup register in ARM version 7 architecture. I hope this video will be helpful for your development. See you next time.